In this video, I'm going to show you how to add XAUUSD on MT4 mobile app. Now, the first thing that's very important, when you tap at the very top left on those three lines, you can see up top, I'm signed in with a MetaTrader 4 demo account. Now, demo accounts for MetaTrader 4 will allow XAUUSD, but if you're signed in basically with any different broker, there's a bunch of different brokers you could be using on MT4, then XAUUSD might not be available on that broker. So make sure that the broker you're using actually allows XAUUSD, and then when you do that, sign into it, go to the bottom left to open quotes, there we go, and then at the top right, you want to tap on the plus button, and inside the find symbols, you want to look for XAUUSD, and there we go. As you can see, XAUUSD gold, you can simply tap on it over here, and it's going to get added. I'm going to go back here, and if I go to the bottom, as you can see at the very bottom, I have XAUUSD. I can tap on it, place the order, open charts, etc. So that's how to achieve it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.